nothing goes to waste. He's out there picking up all the fruit. Holy cow. One of players, Tony here at work again. You know, Chucky gets in town. No, it's right there where it landed. I told you were just behind me.
It would have been further, but I think I got a little roll back.
Anyway, you know, Chucky comes in town. It's nothing but work, 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 man. Golfing every day. It's okay. I feel good. Yesterday, my back was spasming a little bit. I think I was hitting the ball too far and too straight. Anyhow, we are at Wing 23. Beautiful Caddy 1. And I mean, this is like some jungle stuff here, huh? This is on the military base. I just want to look in there and see some freaking crocodile eyes. But, you know, the locals would eat those things up in a heartbeat. Anyhow, we're out here having fun with subscriber. So this is my drive. It's a little farther right than I like. But you can see the pin right through the trees there. I'm just going to hit a 9 over, up and over. I'm going to go through that tree, but you know, trees are 90% air. So chances of me getting through there clean are pretty good.
Oh, look at you. Get over there.
Đây quá. Good ba.
Good shot, Tony.
Need nói.
Lucky man.
You know, it's tough shooting through trees. I always seem to find...
I got looking at the leaves falling.
I always manage to find that 10%, you know. It just slowed me down a little bit, but I'm okay. Up on the edge there, up and down for par.
In.
Oh.
You lucky man. That's 3-1 putt. 2 pars and a birdie. No, 3 pars and a birdie. Doing all right.
Chucky's got the hot stick today. That shit better end quick right now, I'm telling you. Had enough of that. You know, we beat him pretty bad yesterday. So he's rebounding right now. He's not gonna let that happen again.
No, không phải.
More than 2 times.
Okay. A few months shampoo. Choked it.
No. Okay, haven't got.
I got a pretty good right here, so I'm thinking we'll have a round. Why not in one video? Oh, yeah. Cut. Oh!
Factory management just shut itself, so we're on critical.
Okay.
Try to call up to get a replacement.
Tầm.
Right there.
Không tầm. Chọcไปย่าปอก
Okay.
แล้วใครถึง
เคย
จะ
กินบ่พ่อใหญ่
แล้วใครก่อนจะปอกก่อน
Okay, let's go. I see, not in sand and grass, but down in Down in bunker, but in grass. Let's watch Chucky here.
Yeah, something's got me the last few days, ever since I got back. You know, during the days, I have a few beers and I go out in the sun and I'm okay. And I get home at night, man, my throat just, it hits me at night. The last few nights haven't been the best.
What? Put a mushroom.
See what the pork chop's doing? Oh, she's making me tom yum. Chicken tom yum with mushroom? Okay.
Mushroom.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And the rice is ready.
Rice is ready? She brought her rice cooker over here. So we got a big bag of rice from the farm.
Yeah.
Okay, is that sticky rice or is that regular rice?
Huh?
That regular rice?
Yes.
Okay.
Not sticker, right?
Not sticky rice? Okay.
You need spicy? A little.
Little spicy, yeah. Yeah, I like spicy, you know me.
How you do like this fake?
Do you like what?
Like your fake?
My face?
Yeah.
I got so pretty. Okay.
2,
Okay. 1.5.
3. 3, that's okay.
3's okay?
Not too much.
Yeah, spice is probably what I need right now. This cold going on. I don't know. You know, it's like this. See, you know, that was all these Thai ladies always try to get you to go to the doctor. Please, the same way. Every time you get sick or you hurt your thumb or something. Oh, go see doctor. Go see. I'm saying no. You know, as long as I'm still eating, as long as I'm still sleeping, as long as I'm not bleeding, or the bone isn't freaking stuck out through the skin, I'm good, man. I'm good. I don't need to see no freaking doctor. I know y'all living here in Thailand, you know, used to this Thai food stuff, but I'm showing this for the people back in America, show them what they're missing. People in Britain, people in Canada, and don't forget our Aussie friends. But this is some tom yum soup. I don't know, it looks kind of thin, but it smells good. You know, just throw it on some rice, you know, and there's your meal. Chicken and mushroom. No fish sauce. Ooh, it's spicy.
I should make for you like this.
Okay,
Yeah, that's so good.
all right. She killed that rib. I just picked up a piece of bone right there, so watch your step. There might be some more rib bones laying around, sharp. Threw it in the trash. Okay, another great day. I know I didn't even brush my hair since I got out of the shower. Anyway, guys have a good night. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.